Hey everyone, Angela here from Calibrated Resilience. Today we're creating your personalized resilience roadmap for 2025. And no, it's not just another resolution list, but a strategic blueprint for building unshakable strength. As a resilience architect who's helped countless professionals transform their challenges into strengths, I know that successful change isn't about willpower. It's about having the right strategy and the right support system. First, let's assess where you are in your resilience journey. I'll guide you through evaluating 5 key areas: your mental resilience, your emotional regulation, your physical well-being, your social support system, and your spiritual or purpose alignment. Here are the 3 biggest obstacles that derail most people's resilience goals. Trying to change too much at once. Lacking a support system. Not having specific, measurable strategies. Let me share the proven framework that's helped my clients build lasting resilience. Step 1. Identifying your resilience baseline. You can do this by taking our assessment, then map your current strengths and your challenges, and then set your realistic developmental targets. Step 2, create your action plan. Break down your big goals into micro steps. Build daily resilience habits and establish progress markers. Step 3, implementation strategy. Create morning routines that build strength. Create stress response protocols and also create recovery practices. Are you ready to make 2025 your breakthrough year? Here's what I want you to do next. Join us for our free, yes, I said free, Unshakable Strength Workshop on January the 15th, 12:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. via Zoom. Join our free Facebook community for daily support, Calibrated Living Network. Book a strategy session with me to create your personalized plan at calibratedresilience.com. In closing, I want you to remember, resilience isn't about being unbreakable. It's about becoming unshakable. Drop a comment below sharing your biggest resilience goal for 2025. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly resilience strategies. Happy New Year, everybody.